This is Kaifa Technology Philippines Incorporated, the ninth factory of Shenzhen Kaifa Technology Limited, the core enterprise of China Electronics Company. The company was established and started operation in January of 2018. We are in the strategic location, located in Calabarzon area, half an hour from Batangas Port, and 1.5 hours from Manila Airport. Our mother company, Shenzhen Kaifa Technology, is one of the world's top EMS providers. We have factories located worldwide. We provide extremely reliable SMT manufacturing services. Capable of mounting 01005 chip placement, online or offline solder paste inspection. Capable of BGA or PGA repair. Automated optical inspection, X-ray, and wave soldering process. The company has in-house laboratory to provide failure analysis and test analysis services to internal and external customers. Our manufacturing execution system, or MES, is capable of integrating various on-site systems and installations, including manufacturing equipment, inspection equipment, data collection, and dashboards. This allows real-time reporting about such on-site production conditions as material management, inventory operations, and anomaly alerts, providing management and clients with subsequent resource integration, tracing, and other services. Kaifa continuously strives to create values for our clients, promote the healthy development of the EMS industry, boost social and economic development, and become a trustworthy and respected enterprise throughout the world. Kaifa is striving to be a leading EMS provider. Kaifa, your reliable and respectable enterprise.